Zoot bag.
Okay.
My style is love flowers.
Mm-hmm. He's made the flowers.
Yes.
He's made the flowers. Okay.
Backside is paint.
Happy boy.
Happy boy.
Okay. So that carrot signifies
Yes,
him.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you want to explain the picture?
नहीं हम एक्सप्लेन क्या करेंगे?
आपने क्या सोचा यहाँ ये जो आपने आधा कैरेट बाहर है और वो एक्सप्रेशन है, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी?
मैंने ये सोचा कि कैरेट आदित्य को बहुत पसंद है और ये जो कार्टून है ये बहुत ज़्यादा देखता है.
ओके.
तो इसने मोबाइल में देख करके मेरे को बोला मम्मा मतलब ये पिक्चर आप इसी में बनाना.
ठीक है. ओके. ठीक है. थैंक यू. गुड.
ऐसे कपड़े से बनाया हुआ.
अच्छा.
एवरीथिंग मैंने इसका जो भी है वो मैंने कपड़े से बनाया हुआ है, कपड़े की यूज़ करते हुए. और मैंने इसमें ग्रीन कलर स्पेशली यूज़ किया है क्योंकि वो इन्वायरमेंट
फ्रेंडली है. यस यस.
दिखाता है. और बस यही.
Okay, so basically you are addressing recycling.
Yes.
Reuse.
Yes.
Recycle. All right. Well.
पेपर बैग, स्टार एंड डेकोरेट.
So the decoration has a meaning?
यस मैम.
Okay.
पेपर मैंने भी बनाया है.
पेपर बैग आपने खुद बनाया है. ओके. कुछ मैसेज है इसके थ्रू?
यस मैम. ये हार्ट और ये
अच्छा, हार्ट, लव. ओके. ऑल राइट.
We have made from the old clothes from these two boys
ओके. ऑल राइट. वंडरफुल.
because kids love to play at home and they keep their small stuff in bags and everything. So I have used his t-shirt to make the bag, and then I have used his shoes and mittens for the pockets, side pockets.
Right.
And these are the stickers I have taken from his old bib, and I have just trying to make a small bag where he can put
It's a
their-
sling bag, I
Yeah,
believe, and
it's
it's
a
very,
sling bag.
a very user-friendly sling bag. It is.
So it is reusable, like
Washable.
washable and eco-friendly and funky for the kids.
Funky, definitely funky. Very usable actually, because all small little things you can put in those socks, I
Yes.
believe, shoes,
Yes.
like, and also this washability makes it even more useful. Wonderful job, ma'am. Keep up the good work. T-shirt, yeah.
So actually the sleeves were a little torn, and so I just cut them off completely, made the handles of the bag,
Right, right.
and I made fringes at the bottom. The kids helped me in tying the knot. So this is like a
And how much can it carry?
it can carry weight.
It can carry about a kg or something?
Yes.
Okay.
More than a kg. This
More than a kg. All right.
So I found it super useful in the sense it's very lightweight. We can just fold it and keep it in a purse. And maybe when we go grocery shopping and vegetable shopping, you know.
Right, and it's very soft, I believe,
Yes.
to easy to be carried in a purse or something, just in case
very
you.
useful.
Yeah. All right. Well done. Very
Folding
good
bags.
job.
एंड मैम ये लीफ प्रिंट है ब्लीच प्रॉपर्टी के थ्रू ब्लीचिंग से ये फेड हो गया है कलर देन
So you use the bleach here only?
यस
All right.
एंड दिस इज कलर
Say no to plastic. Okay.
ये ओके एंड कलर है एंड लीफ पेंट है एक्चुअली हम नेचर के थ्रू भी हम अपना काफ़ी कुछ क्रिएटिव कर सकते हैं ये इसमें ये हो रहा है कि आपका नेचर है जिसके थ्रू आप लीफ का प्रिंट दे सकते हैं फ्लावर प्रिंट दे सकते हैं और कुछ भी दे सकते हैं एंड ये दिस ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट नेचर दिस माई
But this is not biodegradable, ma'am. Yeah.
दिस इज प्रिंट दिस इज आई ड्रॉ दिस
Was it there? All no. You have put this, no?
हाँ या
अभी तो ये आपने लगाया है.
और ये प्रिंट मैंने बनाया है खुद
The giraffe you have made. Okay. All right. Fine. Good job, mothers. Well done. I mean, so not have been thinking about these. So this at least gave you an opportunity to think, to poke your artistic abilities, isn't it? Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Radhe Radhe.
Radhe,
I
Radhe.
have done party wear bag, and I thought this is very
Party potli.
Party potli.
It's going with my attire, I believe. Yeah?
Yes.
How does it look?
Yes, you can.
Thank you so much.
And actually ये चाह रही थी कि इसको भी करना है तो मैंने इसके लिए सोचा कि ये भी इस पे करे तो
Okay.
मैंने पेंट किया है और ये भी टक कर रही थी
Sure. So how did you make that potli?
पोटली एक्चुअली ऑलरेडी आई हैड
Okay. So you decorated it? Okay. Is there something significant about this? इसका कोई मैसेज है या कुछ?
आई थिंक कि आजकल पार्टी में थोड़ा स्टाइलिश लेके जा रहे हैं तो हम ऐसा ले जो हमारे नेचर को भी खराब ना करे और हम स्टाइलिश भी लगे और थोड़ा पार्टी वेयर भी लगे इसलिए मैंने
ये किससे बनाया हुआ है
ये
आपने?
cloth है
हाँ।
और ये सारे तो स्टोन है ये जो आप यूज कर सकते हैं
नहीं वो तो अलग से है बट ये जो कपड़ा है ये आपके किसी ओल्ड कपड़े का टुकड़ा है?
ये और मेरे पास था पहले का
Okay. तो आप पोटली बना के लेकर आई थी. All right. Wonderful.
Everyone for this opportunity. Actually, I am not a artistic or creative person. Like creative in terms of these things. I cannot even draw a straight line. Frankly speaking, I am a scientist by profession, so I don't know all this stuff. So I participated because Riansh love to do these things. Yeah, and the biggest support for me is sitting over there, my mother-in-law. She gave me all the like background and then I put some ideas and then last moment yesterday night we finalized okay we will do this stuff and thank you.
First deserve a big round of applause. घर में बहुत काम होते हैं and still we took out the time to get involved with the kids and my kids were really excited for this कि mama you coming and it'll be a competition with you so it's more of a bonding in the school time between the parents and so more than the creativity I think it was the idea of bonding with so yes thank you ma'am.
Absolutely was the idea. Basically, most of the time you come here with generally with a problem in at hand, to discuss to a problem that you might be facing. So this is absolutely for you to let go of all the worries and have some good time. You deserve it, mothers. You do deserve it. And we just wanted to give you some good time to yourselves. That's it. We wanted you to enjoy doing what you did today. All right? So that makes the day for us.
Thank
Are
you
we
ma'am.
ready?
Thank you ma'am.